Are you looking for the best flip phones? In this video, we will look at some of the 4 best flip phones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Since the original Galaxy Z Flip hit in 2020, Samsung's clamshell-style folding phone has gotten better every year. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 delivers the most polished flip phone experience yet, with a hinge that folds flat, a near-waterproof IPX8 ingress rating, and a large 3.4-inch cover screen. The large cover screen has a lot of benefits when you don't want to stop and open the phone. You can launch apps, send messages and emails, and control audio playback, among other things. It's incredibly helpful and makes performing quick actions with your phone easier than ever. When you give it a flip, the phone opens up to an expansive 6.7-inch inner display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Unfurled, the Flip 5 offers performance and features just shy of a 2024 flagship. It has a dual-camera system with a 12-megapixel f/1.8 main sensor and a 10-megapixel selfie camera. Under the hood, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor powers smooth performance. Throw in an all-day battery and you have a solid set of core specs. The hinge also opens the door to some interesting and unique functionality. Half-folding the phone into an L shape activates a flex mode, a powerful multitasking feature that makes it easy to run 2 apps simultaneously in a split-screen layout. It also enables additional functionality in certain apps. When watching a YouTube video, Flex Mode will play the video in the top half of the display and show media controls in the bottom half. Likewise, the foldable design lets you get creative with selfies. Simply fold the phone halfway, point the rear camera toward you, and frame your shot on the smaller external display. This gives you higher quality selfies than you'd get with the internal camera. Combining its smooth performance and powerful features with its more refined design, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 solidifies its position as the ultimate flip phone experience. Number 2. Motorola Razr. Motorola has revived the once iconic Razr flip phone. The latest iteration, from 2023, is a budget-friendly option for folks looking to dip their toes in the folding phone pool. It features a large 6.9-inch inner screen for comfortable viewing and a dual-camera system with a 64-megapixel main sensor. While small at 1.5 inches, the utilitarian cover screen looks surprisingly stylish. Like your standard phone's lock screen, it gives you a shortcut to the time and weather, as well as calendar events, contacts, and media controls. As a whole, the Razr is a stylish option despite its more affordable price. It features a soft vegan leather finish that adds texture, making the device easier and more comfortable to hold than all-glass alternatives. As a bonus, the vegan leather doesn't get as smudgy with fingerprints like glass. Under the hood, it's powered by a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset that, while not the top of the line, can handle everyday tasks and even demanding applications like photo editing and games. It has a beefy 4,200 mAh battery that will last a full day. Storage, though, is a low point. With a single 128GB option, shutterbugs, gamers, and Netflix downloaders may all find themselves running out of space quickly. To hit its low price point, which is low for any smartphone but extremely low for a folding phone, Motorola has cut some corners here. Its processor, as we noted, is not the latest and greatest. It offers slower 5-watt wireless charging, though faster 30-watt wired charging is supported with a compatible charger. It's also fragile. With an IP52 rating, it can protect against limited dust exposure and light splashes of water. Consider its low price, though. The 2025 Razr offers a lot for far less you'll spend on any other folding phone. Number 3. Motorola Razr Plus. Samsung is the top dog in flip phone land, but the powerful Motorola Razr Plus gives the Galaxy Z Flip 5 a run for its money. Its expansive 6.9-inch OLED inner screen features high refresh rate 165Hz for smooth scrolling and better-looking games. The real star here, though, is the 3.6-inch cover display. Taking up the entirety of the closed phone's front panel, it offers ample room to check your notifications, launch apps, and even respond to messages. It's currently the largest cover screen in the flip phone market, and makes it easy to do a lot of things without opening up. Think of it like an extra-large smartwatch, perfect for staying on top of notifications while keeping the phone compact. The Razr Plus has a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is over a year old at this point. Still, it delivers excellent performance when paired with the device's 8 GB of RAM. There's also a dual camera system with a 12-megapixel main sensor, 13-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 32-megapixel selfie sensor. Meanwhile, the hinge allows the phone to fold flat with no gap, making it easy to slide into your pocket when it's closed. It's all wrapped in a sleek design, with a soft vegan leather on the back instead of glass. Even with that larger cover screen, the Motorola Razr Plus is able to deliver excellent battery life. It will last you a full day of mixed use with battery life to spare. When the battery gets low, it supports fast 30-watt wired charging or 5-watt wireless charging. The device also has a dual camera system, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and an IP52 rating, providing partial protection from dust. With a few refinements in future iterations, the Razr Plus has the potential to reign supreme in the flip phone market. Number 4. TracFone TCL Flip 2. If you need a temporary replacement phone in a pinch, the TCL Flip 2 is a solid, affordable option. It features an 1,850 mAh battery, 8 GB of internal storage, and a 2-megapixel camera that can record video. It also boasts a USB-C port, so it's easy to charge. The Flip 2 is designed with ease of use in mind. It has large, clear keys for better readability, and you can adjust the text size and brightness to your preference. The phone also allows you to create shortcuts to favorite numbers to make quick calls. It also has a dedicated SOS button on the outside of the phone, making it easy to make an emergency call in any circumstance. If you plan to keep the phone for a little longer, you can pick up an unlocked version and set it up with a carrier. If you want to use the Flip 2 long-term, you can pick up an unlocked version and set it up with any US carrier. It's more expensive, but you will definitely get better call quality this way. Whether you're looking for a temporary solution or a long-term budget-friendly option, the TCL Flip 2 is a cheap, easy-to-use device that's reliable for calls, texts, and the occasional picture.